Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have a dash camera.
A dash camera, check that out, made by Crosstour. Now we reviewed an action camera made by Crosstour before. And so this dash camera shoots 1080p. It's got a 3-inch screen on the back, which is great. I like a large screen. And also connects via Wi-Fi. Alright, open that up, Annalisa. Let's check out this dash camera. So if I can have warranty information and a manual. And that looks like the dash camera itself. Nice. Can we see the back? Turn that around. And there's your 3-inch screen. Alright, what else comes in the box? So you get cables. I think that is a rear camera? Huh. Mounting hardware. So anyways, we are going to look at the instruction manual and we will set this up in our car and do a demonstration, see how the quality looks. Okay, we are ready to install our Crosstour dash cam. This is model number CR650. Jenda, what I want you to do is peel off any plastic that's on it. You got plastic on the back screen. We got some plastic on the front lens. Go ahead and peel that off. And on the suction cup, is that an extra layer of plastic? Okay, now on the side you have your slot for your micro SD card. Go ahead and stick that in. You might have to use your fingernail to push it all the way in. Okay, now go ahead and mount it on our windshield. You turn that clockwise and it'll lock right in place. And there we go. Now it's powered by a 12-volt connector. Go ahead and plug that in. And right away, Crosstour dash cam powers on. Go ahead and put in English. Alright, we've entered the time and date. Confirm.
Where is
Formatting the card. Formatting complete. Alright. Video mode. Okay, so it automatically goes into recording function. And we are set to go. Now on the bottom of the dash camera, there's a port for a rear view camera. Jenda's holding the rear view camera. Now this can be mounted above the license plate. And I'm thinking about a place inside, maybe right over the back window. See if we can mount it there. But I'll show you over the license plate where it will go. So in our car here, we already have a backup camera right in the middle of the top of the license plate. So you would mount it maybe right about to there. And it will record what is behind you. Now this would be great to have. Now in the instruction manual it does say have a professional install this. So if you're not sure if you're up to the mechanical ability to do this, have a professional install this. Okay, we just got back from testing out the dash camera. I want to show you a little bit of footage. I'm just going to show you here on my laptop. This is daylight. It's a little bit cloudy. I did notice the footage looks much better when it's a nice sunny day. But yeah, it looks great. Colors are nice and bright. This is an overcast day. But this will give you an idea of how it looks in the daytime. Now you can actually put your license plate, and it will show in the bottom right hand corner of the footage. Yeah, it really does a great job picking up the other vehicles. Has a nice wide view and a wide dynamic range of the darks and the brights, so you can see the image nice and clearly. Alright, now I'm going to show you what it looks like at night. We'll close this file out. And at night. Now I'm going to shut the audio off so we don't pick up the copyrighted music on the radio, but this does record audio also. And you can see the vehicle in front of me, a little bit of glare in my windshield, and if my windshield was clearer, it'd probably look a little bit better than that. But yeah, you can see everything nice and clear. And this, of course, is with my headlights on low beam, not high beam, and it's picking up as much information as I would need. So that is nighttime. So the dash camera will automatically do a loop recording when your micro SD card is full. It will record over the previous footage, go back. Now if you happen to be in a collision, there's a gravity sensor function, G sensor, that would detect a collision, and the footage currently being recorded is automatically locked and protected to avoid it being erased. Now you can set it up on parking guard, and with this function, when you park your car, if it detects any vibration, the dash camera will connect to the ACC and GND of the fuse box safely and provide the ongoing power required, and it will record while the car is parked. And it has a headlight warning if the headlights are dim outside of normal parameters, and it will show a flashing icon and deliver an audible warning to alert the driver that he should put on his headlights. Now, an important function is this dash camera will connect via an app to your phone. There's a Wi-Fi function. You can actually go into the menu from your phone and set up the parameters on your dash camera. I haven't done this yet, but I will certainly download the app. Just want to get a video uploaded. Maybe I'll have a part 2 after I operate this for, say, a month, and see how it performs. But this is part 1 of our Crosstour dash camera. We will put a link in the description below where you may purchase this on Amazon. And always, thank you guys for watching.